Nityanandam. My name is Ma Devasmanna, and today I am going to talk about my child Ma Nitya Brahma Yogananda, who is now Swamiji's child as a part of Nityananda Gurukul. She is 12 years old and she has been in Gurukul for past 3 years. These past 3 years seem to be, for me, they look like it's been 30 years for her. She has so beautifully flowered and so beautifully matured and really has grown very beautifully, mentally, emotionally, physically and consciously. Really, Nityananda Gurukul provides holistic development for the child. I can see that she was a big baby when she was born. Her motor skills were little poor. I was literally concerned about that. She could not do the things which kids of her age were able to do. But after joining Gurukul, I see her doing all types of yoga. Rope yoga, pole yoga, floor yoga and many more. Swamiji has given her yogic body. Swamiji has given her Vedic mind, giving the most powerful cognitions. These cognitions are the ones on which one builds his or her whole life, and very powerful consciousness. That powerful consciousness is the key to success. From there, they will manifest anything and everything they want in their life. I can see her not only taking responsibility for herself, but for others around her. So, when the context which is given to the child, the cognitions which are given to the child about themselves, about world, about God, about everything which we experience in our life. It may be wealth, health, success, love, any kind of emotions and any kind of dimension we can think of. When the context is given right to them, and when not only the context is given, they are given the experience also, that also based on the eternal truths, the cosmic truths from the Sanatan Hindu Dharma, the scriptures which are age old, we don't even know how old they are. So they imbibe this because of the powerful initiations from Swamiji. That becomes the very nature of them, and they live their life from there. And I just know I do not have to bother about it. I do not have to worry about her because of this very powerful foundation which is being given to her right now. And she is in the most beautiful, most safest and divine hands. Even if I wanted, and I couldn't have given her, or we as parents would not be able to give her. When she grows up, she will be a responsible, powerful being who will not only be responsible for herself, as I told before, but for the whole society, nation and humanity at large. I am so grateful and a very proud parent. That is all Swamiji's grace, and so beautifully she is being taken care. And all these kids from Nityananda Gurukul, they are the future of humanity. They will be the leaders of tomorrow, because all this is coming from nothing. It is not superficial. It is coming from the very consciousness, that breakthrough, that understanding, that growth, that development. It may be mental, it may be physical, it may be emotional, it may be conscious, and at the end they will meet the very purpose of their life for which they took their body and receive enlightenment itself. And these leaders will not only be blessing for themselves but for the whole world. and lead the whole world from that superconscious breakthrough which Swamiji is giving them. From that enlightened consciousness, they will be leading the world. I can go on and on. The words seem to be little to even describe and for me to actually comprehend what he is giving to my child. So thank you so much. I'm in eternal gratitude to Swamiji for blessing Nitya Brahma Yogananda with this opportunity to be part of Nityananda Gurukul, for blessing her to be her child and for accepting her as his own. And I'm really requesting to each parent out there, please do not miss this opportunity for your child. This is the best which you can give to your kid. Do not miss this. Every child deserves this. Thank you so much for listening to me and giving time to me. Nityananda.